And we just got this camera in. This is the M1G3. There's different buttons on there. We got recording, photo, audio recording, and marker. Basically mark anything that's important. You have your standard on, LED indicator. In the left is the power on. Basically green means powered on, red means recording. And you have on this, the right side is the blue light, which when you charge it comes on. You get your LED control here and white light control. On this side you basically have a USB, HDMI output, or any AV as well. It has a docking feature so you can actually dock the camera. Here's the dock. It actually comes on, goes on, and it's pretty tight. So you can actually mount this on the wall as well too if you wish to do it. Overall, it's not bad of a camera. You have your standard menu, your OK, and your play and pause button. There's also your left and right, or up and down, moving up or moving down, one or two. Let's turn it on. You press once, it turns on. You press and hold, it turns off. Alright, so press once, it'll come back on. Camera has different options that you can actually do from the menu. If you hit menu, basically put in the standard default is 6 zeros. You can change the different resolution. Here you see that it's 2560 by 1080p. So you can actually change it to 1080p if you want. We'll just leave it as a default. Press the power button to go back to the other screen. Move between each camera. Set timer on, set pre-recording. Pre-recording is 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Car DV mode, basically turn it on and put it in your car. Loop recording basically allows you to record the over the oldest video, except when you mark it. If you mark it, it will not record over that. Split time means the size of the video, so every 15 minutes it saves the size. Worry about slideshow, that's mostly for if you want to view the camera. Infrared, this camera, because the way it's designed, now most of these cameras are coming from Chinese manufacturer, but it's the feature set that we put on there that's different to us from everybody else, and you got to understand that. Camera might have different components inside, sometimes some do have the same components, but majority of the time it's the feature set that you put on here based on the company that adds feature set that makes it different from anybody else. One part of this is you have a menu control, but for us we actually have software that we built that allows you to actually control every aspect of the camera, so that you don't have to do this at the camera level. Infrared, there's 3 options here: automatic, manual, and off, just in case where the time when that you do not want the office to be able to control the IR. White LED can be turned on or off. Oops. There's a screensaver mode that's in there as well. So lots of different options. GPS on and off. You got time zone, change the language. You can always play with it. You can also change the volume, and of course different firmware. All the information you need. Camera resolution, battery status, photo image, the size, how much you got storage left, and the current time. You see it's a camera serial number and badge, so all the information can actually be put on here. Again, still I have it on vibrate mode, so all it's going to do is record and show it in vibrate mode. So different option. Alright.